I'm inspired by nature, but I'm not inspired to paint it. Nature isn't my subject, it's my starting point. I like to go beyond representational art and create art from how I feel, not just what I see before me. Here are some examples of art I've created whilst being inspired by nature, but not exactly painting it as I see it. So this is collage work. And you can see the different shapes here, the shapes I see in nature. So there's nothing immediately identifiable in this picture, but you can get a sense of it being nature inspired. And here's another collage, non-representational, but just made up of jelly print papers and assembled to form a pleasing nature-based design. And these are nature-inspired watercolours. Just working from the imagination of things that I've seen in nature.